Welcome students in mathematics class. Today in this video we will do clocks. You have already done clocks in your Zoom classes. There we have done clock of 3 and 6. Now we will do 8 o'clock. First draw a clock and show time 8 o'clock. Write down this in your notebook. Then to draw a clock, what you have to do? First we make a clock. For this we will draw a square of 6 by 6, means 6 boxes in all sides. To take this, you will count from here, leave here 3 boxes, put a dot here, then count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, then put dot again. To this side 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, put a dot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, then again put a dot. Now join these dots. Join these dots with the help of scale. Now this is a square. All the sides are same. 6 to this side, 6, 6 and 6. All sides are same. 6 by 6. Now in your notebook you will see here boxes. But I am not having boxes, so I am drawing here. In your notebook it should be seen like this. Is it clear? Now first of all you will put a small cross the corner boxes. Is it clear? Then one we have left, put a cross. 2. In 3 what we will do? We will use these 2, 3 and 4. 1 we will write here, 2 we will write here. It is 12. It is not 1 or 2, it's 12. 1 comes in the third box, 2 comes in the fourth box. Then 1, 2, this we have put cross. Now next number is 3. But how we will write 3? 3 will come on the line, half in third box and half in fourth box. After 3, 4, this is cross, 5. Again 6 comes here on the line below 12. Same in this way as we have used third and fourth box for 12. We have used this third and fourth box for 6. 6 will come on the line, half in this box, half in this box. Then 7, 8. Next number is 9. 9 again we will use 2 boxes. Third and fourth in front of 3 in the same way. 6 in front of 12 in the same way. Next step, next is number 10, 11. Right? Now, it's not a complete clock. We have to draw hands also. But numbers, how many numbers are there on the clock? 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Now we will draw hands. How many hands a clock has? Clock has 2 hands, long hand and short hand. Long hand is called minute hand and short hand is called hour hand. That you have done in blanks also. Now we will put a small dot. We will see here 6 and 12, and towards this 3 and 9 in the we will take a center like this. Right? We have to put a dot in the center. How we will choose a center? From here we will see 3 and 9. To this side 6 and 12. This. Now first of all we will draw long hand. Long hand is towards 12. We will use these 2 boxes and draw a line with the help of scale or put a arrow here. Now we have to show time 8 o'clock. So we will see where is it. Here is it. We will use a scale from this towards it. We will draw small hand. You will, how you will draw? You will put a scale here like this by using scale. See this dot and towards this 8, right? It put a mark here, then draw with the help of scale. It will comes like this. Is it clear? It's not at the corner. If you will take at the corner, it will go to this. But 8 is here. So, putting scale here like this, then you will draw a line in one box and then put down the arrows. This is 8 o'clock. Is it clear? Do it in your notebook. Next we will do draw a clock and show time 12 o'clock. First we have done in Zoom class 3 o'clock, then 6 o'clock, then we have done now show time 8 o'clock, and now we are doing show time 12 o'clock. On the next page, draw a clock and show time 12 o'clock. In the same way, you will draw a square of 6 boxes each side. You will draw a square by taking 6 boxes toward each side. All the sides of square are equal. 6, 6. Then put down the numbers as I have told you. By using 2 boxes, you will write 12, 1. Leave these corner boxes. Then 2, 3. Again 2 boxes, third and fourth. Half above, half below, half in third, half in fourth box, then 4, 5, 6 on the line. It will come in both the boxes, half in third, half in fourth, then 7, 8, 9 again on the line, half above, half below, using 2 boxes, third and fourth, 10, 11 and 12. Now we have to show time 12 o'clock. Take the center on this, see here 3 and 9, to this 6 and 12. We have take a center, put a small circle. Okay, then first of all, we always take long hand towards 12. Draw a line towards 12. Put the arrow here, right? Then now we will see this 12 o'clock. Shorthand is again towards 12 o'clock. So again a line is already there. Using one box, put a arrow. This is a small hand. It overlap. Just like this is big hand. ये उत्ते ही जो है small hand move करता हुआ coming on this. Small hand is of small size, it will come on it, only this will be, arrow will be C. Is it clear? Okay, bye, see you. Do practice of class.